Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, which means Sunday dinner with Robin. I'll get to that in a moment. First off, we were in the culinary expedition, was in New Zealand last night, where I prepared magic mince. I was chatting with Robin last night, and I remarked that how some simple ingredients can become something so yummy. It's really simple. Onions, carrot, celery. I added some peas due to my research. Beef, some thyme, literally thyme and thyme. Thime and time. Over toast. It was really good. I enjoyed it. It's repeatable. I get asked that a lot. Is this repeatable? Yes, this is repeatable. You can make this your own. This is one of those recipes that you can have fun with it. Read the information that I posted about the magic mince. It's also part of the recipe in the notes. All right, Sunday dinner with Robin. I was introduced to this dish by Robin and her brother at the Atlantis Resort and Casino in Reno. It's in their, I can't remember the name of the restaurant, but it's where you can get, sushi, and it's called a pan roast. I'm going to try to remember some of the information. It's going to be posted and will also be with the recipe. Basically, this is an American recipe they say from the Charleston, let me get this right, let me get the state right, South Carolina region. They have an abundance of seafood in that area. So basically, you've heard of, if you've not heard of a pan roast, you might have heard of a seafood boil. This is adapted from the seafood boil. Very good, a little spicy. It can be. This is one of those things. It's like any soup or stew. You make it your own. When I do share the recipe, it's going to be the seafood pan roast. I'm preparing a shrimp pan roast. One, seafood's expensive. Two, Robin's not a fan of some of the things that's in the complete seafood pan roast. I like most of them. Clams, shrimp, crab, oysters. It goes. I don't know if oysters in there, but there's a lot. There can be a lot. So adapt if you're very curious about this recipe, the pan roast. Make it your own. All right. So let's get to it. All right. Like I stated just a few seconds ago, this is a South Carolina recipe, and I've been kind of agonizing and thinking about what pan to use for this. The Atlantis has special pans just for this recipe. I'm going to be using my wok, the Champion. And I got some crockery because the Atlantis doesn't serve the pan roast doesn't serve rice with the pan roast, but it's suggested. And pretty much all the photos I've seen serve with rice. This is about 1.25 pounds of 2125 shrimp. These are the white shrimp from Goldfish Seafood. Kosher salt, black pepper, a lot of liquids. White cooking wine, cocktail sauce, clam juice, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, cream. Cream is big in this. This is a cream base. Tabasco or cayenne, celery seed, Paprika, I'm going to be using Spanish paprika. Not in the recipe, but from my research, actually the butter is part of this, because we saute we kind of quickly brown the shrimp and other seafood in butter. I'm going to be adding garlic and some yellow onion. And of course, the rice. So here's all the software, literally, for tonight's shrimp pan roast. So as you can see, a lot of liquids, a lot of different flavors going on in that mix. This particular recipe that I'm using is based on the Silver Legacies seafood pan roast. 2 competing casinos. One's basically on the strip. Reno does kind of have a strip, downtown, and Atlantis is an outlier. By the way, my daughter lives in Reno, and my grandson, yes. All right, so it was 104 yesterday. Bob did a special report this morning. He normally doesn't do weekend reports, but it was 104 here yesterday in Sutter County, California. It's supposed to be 103 today. So on this Sunday, stay hydrated, stay cool, don't work in the heat. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.